Alright everyone, so today we're going to be making a video on removing the Hyundai badge on this is a 2011 Hyundai Genesis 4.6. Brent's here, this is his new car, and then we got the other Genesis right there. So what he's going to be doing first is heating up the badge to get the adhesive nice and warm, and then he has some fishing line, and then it's going to go back and forth, but here's the process. So basically you're just going to want to keep moving it. You don't want to hold it in one spot, especially if you have like one of the serious industrial ones, because you can actually bubble your paint with the heat. So you only want to just warm up the badge itself. So this one gets pretty hot pretty fast. So he's going to go ahead and take the fishing line, sneak it underneath the edge, and then just go in like an up and down motion. Pull a little tension on maybe. There it is.
Probably use some higher strength fishing line.
Yeah, so if a thicker fishing line might help. You can try to like double it up maybe. Yeah, there it goes. You want to heat it up a little more?
I'm going to hit it with heat while I'm doing this.
Yep.
If I can grip it, the heat's really working. It's gliding right through it.
Yeah.
Can't get a grip on it since it's slipping out of my fingers.
You want a bigger piece?
Does that?
You want a bigger piece?
That might help too. But...
He just got a bigger piece of fishing line and just make it a little easier. Alright, so that's all nice and warmed up. Get it all nice and sticky. We're just going to try some microfiber cloths and some glue gun. See if we can get that off. It's going to take a little bit of, elbow grease to get it off, but it'll come off.
Supposed to be safe on automotive surfaces. I don't know how well I trust it.
So he's actually using a shop towel. If it doesn't want to come off, then we'll try to switch over to like a microfiber cloth. They're a little bit more abrasive. Alright, so what's going on is you can see there's a lot of adhesive already taken off. What he's doing is using the glue gun, spraying it, let it sit for a minute or so. He does have a plastic trim tool. If you don't want to use a metal one, you just want to use a plastic trim tool that has like a nice flat edge on it. And you can use it to like clean up some of the adhesive, like the really foamy areas. But you don't really want to go hard at all to scratch the paint. The middle part doesn't really matter because that's where the new badge is going to sit. But the outer lines, that's where you're going to be able to see like underneath the badge and above the badge. So you don't want to accidentally scrape the paint or anything. He also has the microfiber cloth that he's using just to scrub it, and this is probably about 5 minutes worth of work so far, and it's coming off. It's just, like I said, a slow going process. So this is about what, 15-20 minutes 20 minutes worth of work, and it's getting there. I mean, you can definitely see it straight on, but I mean, for the side view you can tell it's not that thick at all anymore. Getting there, almost done. So we're using glue gun with the scraper and just only getting the adhesive. You don't want to get it on the paint. So spraying it, let it soak for a little bit, hitting it with that. We're going to try switching over to 91% rubbing alcohol just to like get the remaining of it. Some dry paper towel, and then probably wipe down the car where the glue gun was with the rubbing alcohol just to get rid of the glue gun stuff. But that's what it looks like for right now. Obviously see a lot of the adhesive is gone. It's still there. That's that sparkle though. That's pretty nice. But yeah. Alright, so we're in the process of about to put the badge on. He got the majority of it off. He's gonna go about afterwards just to see if you can still see any. He got the top and the bottom off. That's what really matters. These like little end parts that you can still see on camera. Probably don't really matter too much because the badge is going to cover it anyway. But I'm just getting the surface here nice and warm. That way it's going to give it a really nice bonding surface for the adhesive on the badge. The back badge does have like the oval on the left and the circle on the right, just so it should be impossible to mess up. And now that that's nice and warm, he's going to go ahead and stick it on there.
Hold on for a second.
Yep. Getting the badge, man. So you just want to hold some good pressure against it, probably for at least 30 seconds. Letting that heat really like tacky up to that adhesive on the back. So it's been about 30 seconds, and we're going to take a step back and take a look at it. Oh, clear the stuff off of it. If you guys are wondering where to get the badges from, link will be in the description. He ordered this one off of Amazon, I believe. But as you can see, I got the flash on, let me turn it off. Looks really nice. A lot better than the Hyundai logo. Obviously he's going to wash the car after, just so it looks all nice and uniform and everything, but as I said, the adhesive spots on the sides covered it up. Can't even see it. We did wipe down the surface with some rubbing alcohol before heating it up, just so there's no goo gone or anything to mess with the adhesion. But yeah, that is how you put a Genesis badge on the back of your BH Sedan.